So guys, today we are going to learn about different types of octaves in piano or keyboard. So as you can see, we have a keyboard of 5 octaves. So this is, we say C, D, E, F, G, A, B. This is one octave and this is octave number 1. Now C, D, E, F, G, A, B. From C to B, this is second octave. Again, from C to B, this is third octave. And again, from C to B, it is fourth octave. And here, from C to B, again it is fifth octave. So, first octave, second octave, third octave, fourth octave, fifth octave. Please note that these black keys will also come under the octave, like these 5 black keys will come under the octave number 1, octave number 2, octave number 3, octave number 4, octave number 5. The second octave on a keyboard we name as lower octave. This is middle octave. This is higher octave. Lower octave, middle octave, higher octave. Basically C1, C2, C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, A1, B1. From here C2, D2, E2, F2, G2, A2, B2. Here C3, D3, E3, F3, G3, A3, B3. C4, D4, E4, F4, G4, A4, B4. C5, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, B5. I hope you are clear with the octaves. Thank you.